Hi friends, good morning. Yesterday we have discussed and we have proved integration dx by x squared minus a squared equal formula log of 1 by 2a log of x minus a by x plus a plus c. Integration dx by x squared plus a square equal to 1 by a tan inverse of x by a plus c. Integration of dx by a square minus x square equal to 1 by 2a log of a plus x by a minus x plus c. Integration of dx by root of a square minus x square equal to sin inverse of x by a plus c. Integration of dx, this much we have proved. Now I am going to doing integration of dx by root of x square plus a square equal to log of x plus root of x square plus a square plus c. This is, now I am going to do this one. Okay, see. Integration, so that integration of dx by root of x square plus a square equal to log of x plus root of x square plus a square plus c. To prove this, yesterday we have discussed, if it is x square plus a square, what is a suitable trigonometric function? Substitution method. By using substitution method, which trigonometric ratio is satisfied here? Let x is equal to a tan theta. Yesterday I have discussed, if it is x square plus a square, function is there, let x is equal to either a tan theta or a cot theta. If x square minus a square is there, x is equal to a sec theta or a cosec theta. A square minus x square is there, x is equal to either a sin theta or a cos theta. Yesterday I have discussed this. That most important, right? Let x is equal to a tan theta. Then tan theta equal to x by e. Tan theta equal to x by e. Then theta is equal to tan inverse of x by e. Yes. X is equal to a tan theta. Then x differentiation with respect of t dx by d theta. A tan differentiation sec square theta. Theta derivatives with respect of theta is 1. Dx is equal to a secant square theta d theta. Integration dx by root of x square plus a square. Dx a secant square theta d theta by root of x is equal to a tan theta whole square. A tan theta whole square plus a square. Integration of a secant square theta d theta by root of a square take common tan square theta plus 1. A secant square theta d theta by root of a square is a. Root of 1 plus tan square theta equal to secant square theta. Root get cancelled, secant square theta. This get cancelled. That's sec theta. Square root cancel. Sec square root cancel sec theta. One of the sec theta get cancelled. A get cancelled. Integration of sec theta. Right? Sec theta integration. Integration dx by root of x square plus a square equal to sec theta integration log of sec theta plus tan theta. Now theta is unknown. Convert into the variable. Tan theta equal to x by e by triangle. Rectangle triangle. Let this is theta. Tan theta. This is x. This is a. This is equal to hypotenuse x square plus a square. Tell me secant theta from this triangle. Hypotenuse by root of x square plus a square by a plus tan theta x by a. Constant log of x plus root of x square plus a square by a. Log m by n equal log of m minus n. Log of x plus root of x square plus a square minus log e, which is considered as constant log of x plus x square plus a square plus c, where c is equal to minus log e. That comes under this only, constant. So this is integration of dx by root of x square plus a square. Right? So we have done this. Now one more formula, integration of dx by root of x square minus a square equal to log of x plus root of x square minus a square plus c. Okay, integration, one more formula, integration to that dx by root of x square minus a square equal to log of x plus root of x square minus a square plus c. Proof. If it is x square minus y square, tell me the substitution, which is which ratio you are substitute? A sec theta. A sec theta. If it is x square plus a square, a tan theta or a cot theta. A square minus x square is there. X is equal to either a sin theta or a cos theta. These three most important. This is the main key point. Okay. Let x is equal to a sec theta. Then sec theta equal to x by a. Then theta is equal to sec inverse x by a. Sec inverse x by a. Now integration of dx by root of x square minus a square equal to x is equal to a sec theta. X is equal to a sec theta. Differentiation dx by d theta. A sec theta differentiation. Sec theta into tan theta. Theta differentiation with respect of theta is 1. So dx equal to a sec theta into tan theta into d. Substitute here. Integration of dx is equal to a sec theta tan theta d theta by root of x is equal to a square secant square theta minus a square. A sec theta into tan theta d theta by root of a square take common secant square theta minus 1. A secant theta tan theta d theta. Root of a square is a. Root of secant square theta minus 1 equal to tan square theta. A get cancelled. Secant theta tan theta d theta by root of tan square theta equal to tan theta. This get cancelled. Integration of sec theta equal to log of sec theta plus tan theta plus log of sec theta. Sec theta is equal to x by a plus tan theta is equal to, we should draw triangle. By triangle, rectangle, here sec theta equal to x by a. Hypotenuse x, this is a. Tell me this is x square minus a square. Tell me tan theta from this triangle. Root of x square minus a square by a plus c. Then log of x plus root of x square minus a square minus log e. So log of x plus root of x square minus a square plus c. The minus log e constant comes under this. So this is integration of dx by root of x square minus a square equal to log of x plus root of x square minus a square plus c. So we got one more formula. Yes, these 6 formulas 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These 3 formulas most important. Proofs as well as problems. Now just now we have discussed proof of these formulas. Okay, the proof they will ask 3 marks question and 2 marks problem they will ask. Now let us practice the problems. the 6 formulas. Now, by using these formulas, let us practice problems. Integration dx by x square minus 60. First check it. This is contain which form? This is or this is or this is. First, x square minus a square. So this is, can I write like this? Integration of dx by x square minus 4 square. 4 square. So which is the form of x square minus a square formula? Integration of dx by x square minus a square formula 1 by 2a log of x minus a by x plus a. This is the formula. By using this 1 by 2a 4 into log of x minus a 4 by x plus 4 equal to 1 by 8 log of x minus 4 by x plus 4. Second, integration of dx by 16 minus x square. 16 minus x square. Which form it contain? Dx by 4 square minus x square. Which form it contain? A square minus x square. This. A square minus x square. Which is equal formula 1 by 2a. 1 by 2a log of a. A is 4 plus x by 4 minus x plus c. Integration of dx by 16 plus x square. 16 plus x square. Which form it contain? X square plus a square or a square plus x square. Both are same. Where a is 4. Integration dx by x square plus 4 square. Tell me 1 by a 4 tan inverse x by a x by 4 plus c. They will ask problem proof of the, for example, if they ask this, then answer evaluate the related problem. Okay. Next. Integration dx by square root of x square minus 16 equal to dx by square root of x square minus 4 square. Which form it contain? X square minus 4 square root. This is. So log of x plus root of x square minus a square 60 plus c. This is the answer for that. Next, integration of dx by square root of 16 minus x square means dx by square root of 4 minus x square. A square minus x square. Square root of a square minus x square equal to sin inverse x by 4 plus c. Integration of dx by root of 16 plus x square. Dx by root of 4 square plus x square, which in the form of square root of x square plus a square equal to log of x plus root of x square plus 16 plus. Right? Next, integration of dx by x square minus 3. Which form it contain? X square minus a square. But a can I write like this? Dx by x square minus root 3 whole square. Then which is the form of x square minus a square? Integration dx by x square minus a square formula 1 by 2a. 1 by 2a. A is root 3. Log of x minus root 3 by x plus root 3 plus c. Next, integration of dx by square root of 7 minus x square. 7 minus x square. Tell me integration of dx by root 7 whole square minus x square, which is in the form of dx by root of a square minus x square, which is equal to sine inverse of x by a. So sine inverse of x by a root 7 plus c. So integration of dx by root of 7 plus x square. So this we can write root 7 whole square, which is equal to log of x plus root of x square plus a square is 7 plus c. Understood? Got a point? If any problem it comes, if it is that form, you have to use that formula only. Those 6 formulas most important, with root and without root. Okay? Now we'll discuss some problems related to this, textbook problems. Okay, we'll discuss textbook problems later. First, methods. Small problems we'll discuss first. Exercise 7.4, question number 1. Exercise 7.4, question number 1. Integration 3x square by x power 6 plus 1 dx. This is, can I write as 3x square dx by x cube whole square plus 1. Let x cube equal to t. Why x cube equal to t? X cube differentiation is 3x square. It will be there in the numerator. X cube differentiation 3x square into dx by dt equal to 1. 3x square dx equal to dt. 3x square dx is dt by t square plus 1. Integration of 1 by t square plus 1 integration. Which form it contains? T means x square plus a square. Integration of 1 by dx by x square plus a square formula. 1 by a tan inverse of x by a plus c. See, 1 by a is 1, tan inverse of x is t by a is 1. So tan inverse of t. So tan inverse of t, where t is x cube plus c is answer. So integration of t square plus 1 or x square plus 1 equal to tan inverse x. Why? Because tan inverse x differentiation is 1 by 1 plus x square. Similarly, integration of 1 by 1 plus x square is tan inverse x. Are you following? 1 plus x square or x square plus 1, both are same. Tan inverse x differentiation is 1 by 1 plus x square. Then integration of 1 by 1 plus x square is tan inverse x. Or by using this concept also we can find it. X square plus x square. Integration of 1 by root of x square minus 1 dx. X square minus 1 dx. Sorry. 1 minus x square. 1 minus x square means 1 square minus x square, which is equal to sine inverse x plus c. Reverse, sine inverse x differentiation is 1 by root of 1 minus x. Understood? Now exercise 7.4. Exercise 7.4, question number 2. Integration 1 by root of 1 plus 4x square dx. 1 by 1 plus 4x square. Here x coefficient is 1. X coefficient is 1. So we should make x coefficient as a 1. The standard formulas, all standard formulas, you can observe what is the coefficient of x square? 1. Here also we should make 1. To make 1, 4 take common. So integration 1 by root of 4 take common will get 1 by 4 plus x square dx. Correct? 1 by root 4 means 1 by 2. Integration of dx by root of 1 by 2 whole square plus x square. Which form it contains? X square plus a square. Integration of dx by x square plus a square equal formula log of. Understood? Formula log of x plus root of x square plus a square. This is the formula, right? Log of where x is x only, here 1 by 2 plus root of x square plus a square is 1 by plus c. Simplify 1 by 2 log of x plus 4 comes here 4x square plus 1 by root 4 is 2 plus c. Take LCM here 1 by 2 log of 2x plus root of 4x square plus 1 by 2 plus c. Log m by log n. Log m by n equal log of m minus log n. So 1 by 2 log of 2x plus root of 4x square plus 1 minus log 2 that comes under c. Whatever the constant comes under c. This is understood. Next, the question number 3. Integration 1 by square root of 2 minus x whole square plus 1 dx. 2 minus x. Let 2 minus x equal to t. Let 2 minus x equal to t. Differentiation here. 2 differentiation is 0. X differentiation with respect of t dt equal to 1. Dx equal to minus dt. Integration of dx equal to minus dt by square root of 2 minus x t square plus 1. So minus 1 by t under root of t square plus 1 equal to log of t plus root of t square plus 1. So minus log of t where t is 2 minus x. Understood? Plus root of 2 minus x whole square plus 1. Next, the question number 4, integration 1 by root of 9 minus 25 x square dx. 25x square dx. Here we have taken 4 common. You can write like this also. 2x whole square at 2x equal t. Like this also we can solve. 25x square we can write 5x whole square at 5x equal t. You can take common or let 5x equal t. Any method you can apply. Answer will get same. See, if you take common 5 or whatever you want, one you will try by using substitution method. So integration dx by root of 3 square minus 5x whole square. Let 5x equal to t. 5 into dx by dt equal to 1. Dx is equal to dt by 5. Integration dx by root of 3 square minus t square. Root of 3 square minus t square. A square minus x square. Integration sine inverse x by a means x means t by a 3. So sine inverse of where t is 5x by 3 plus c. Is the answer. Understood? Integration of 1 by root of a square minus x square formula sine inverse of x by a. Question number 5. Integration 3x dx by 1 plus 2x power 4. This is, can I write like this? Integration 3x dx by 1 plus 2 x square whole square. let x square equal to t. X square differentiation 2x into dx by dt equal to 1. X dx equal to dt by 2. Substitute here 3 constant. Integration of x dx is dt by 2, right? And 1 plus 2t square. Or we can write root 2x square whole square also we can write it. 2 is coefficient of x square always keep as a 1. But 2 is there. 2 we should take common. Then 3 by 2 integration dt by 2 take common 1 by 2 plus t square. Okay, which is equal to 3 by 4 integration of dt by 1 by root 2 whole square plus t square, which in the form of dx by x square plus a square equal formula 1 by a tan inverse of x by a. While doing the problem, initial stage you write the formula better, because by practicing you will get concept better. Okay, right? How many times you will write, no, that much time you can remember. Okay, don't neglect. Okay, now 3 by 4 into 1 by a, 1 by root 2 into tan inverse of x means t by a is 1 by root 2 plus c. It comes up 3 root 2 by 4 into tan inverse of, it comes up root 2t plus c. 3 root 2 by 4 tan inverse of root 2t, where t is x square plus c. You can try. Next, question number 6. Integration x square by 1 minus x power 6 dx. This is easy, which is equal to x square dx by 1 minus x cube whole square. Let x cube equal to t. X cube differentiation 3x square dx by dt equal to 1. X square dx equal to dt by 3. Integration dt by 3 into 1 minus x cube equal to t square. A square minus x square. 1 by 3 a square minus x square formula. A square minus x square formula 1 by 2a. 1 by 2a. 1 by 2a 1 into log of a 1 plus t by 1 minus t plus c. So 1 by 6 log of 1 plus t, t is x cube by 1 minus x cube plus c. Next, can you tell this formula? Integration of 1 by x square minus 1 dx. Now I am taking